Hi, I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California, and I'm going to explain to you what Motorola Phone Tools is. Motorola Phone Tools allows you to take a Motorola cell phone and hook it up to your computer to sync calendars, ringtones, music, pictures with what you have on your computer or you have on your phone. So if you take a picture on your phone with your phone camera, what you can then do is put that picture onto your computer by plugging in a USB cord and dragging and dropping onto your computer. So Motorola Phone Tools usually comes with the device in the box when you first get the phone. There should be a CD-ROM, and you can just install that on your computer. The problem with Motorola Phone Tools is that it only works with Windows computers. It will not work with Mac computers. I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California. You can reach us at 408-526-0555 or log on to our website at myspace.com/cellphonebroker.